Yesterday, after 1 o'clock, sell call generated red color candle open. That selling momentum, that reddish candles followed today with a downside direction. Today, April 3rd, after 10 o'clock, market upper side breakout happened. Buy call generated green color candle open. Like this, whenever a breakout happen, whenever market trend changes, you will get calls like a signal, like a green signal, red signal, like that you will get the call. Right now buy call, so green color candles open. If it's a sell call, red color candle. So it's an automatic signal generator. In live market, it will generate calls like a signal automatically. Okay. Right now you are watching the video now. Daily basis you are going to watch the chart, you will get the entries. Through these entries, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading. That means by connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trading also. For plan detail, for chart detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today it's a April 3rd, it's a Wednesday market. After 10:13 we have received this buy call. Buy call came in this is Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. On daily basis we are analyzing Bank Nifty 1 minute chart only. So in this Bank Nifty 1 minute chart, the buy call generated at 47,754. That straight white line from green candle. That is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Okay. So the entry is 754. First target is 874. That is 120 point first target range. So like this daily it will give the calls like this. You can do the trades automatically and manual trading also possible. So if you want the chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Market stayed on a strong positive trend, and after at 12 o'clock it started to break out the first target range. Like this today call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for the chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.